Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will tell you how to fix Instagram could not refresh. Please try again later. Problem will be fixed. Follow this step. Don't skip video. First of all, open the Play Store and search Instagram app. Make sure that your Instagram app is updated. If not updated, first of all update your TikTok app. Now go back. Now tap on settings. Check that you have an activate internet connection. Tap on connection. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi and tap on Wi-Fi name and tap on forget and connect again and go back. If you are connected with mobile data, tap on mobile network and tap on mobile network mode and select LT auto connect. Now go back and scroll down, tap on mobile apps and search Instagram apps and scroll down, tap on permission and turn on all settings and go back, tap on storage and tap on clear cache, tap on clear data and go back. After this, check the mobile phone about, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings, tap on reset settings. After this, go back. After this, restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. So this is the like video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.